Whether you're thinking about forming a limited liability company or you've already established one, what I'm about to share could save your business from costly mistakes. I've spent over 2 decades helping hundreds of entrepreneurs set up and maintain their LLCs, and I've seen the same expensive mistakes happen over and over again. The information I'm about to share comes from real-world experience helping entrepreneurs just like you navigate the complex landscape of business formation. Let's begin with what I consider the most fundamental mistake in LLC formation. That is, selecting an inappropriate state for registration. While it's true that you can establish an LLC in any of the 50 states, this flexibility often leads to poor decision-making. If you've been researching LLC formation online, you've probably seen a lot of articles and advisors promoting states like Nevada, Wyoming, and Delaware. These states are often marketed as having significant advantages. For instance, Wyoming for its privacy laws, Nevada for its tax benefits, and Delaware for its business-friendly court system. And while these states do offer certain benefits, for most business owners operating in Ohio, forming an LLC in these states creates unnecessary complications and expenses. Here's why. If your business is operating in Ohio, you'll need to foreign file your LLC back in Ohio anyway, which means you'll end up paying fees in both states and dealing with 2 separate sets of compliance requirements. That's why for the majority of our clients who are running businesses in Ohio, we recommend forming their LLC right here in the Buckeye State. It's simpler, more cost-effective, and ensures you're properly structured from the start. Furthermore, Ohio recently updated its LLC laws to mirror those in Wyoming and Nevada. Ohio is now every bit as good as those other states. The second critical mistake revolves around the selection of the named organizer and registered agent. This aspect of LLC formation might seem minor, but it's actually crucial to your business's long-term success and compliance. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of serving as their own organizer and their own registered agent. This can lead to serious complications. Consider what happens when you move to a new address, something that occurs more frequently than you might expect. If you've listed yourself as the registered agent and forget to update your address with the state, important legal notices and state communications may never reach you. This can result in missed deadlines, compliance issues, and even the potential revocation of your LLC's good standing. Moreover, serving as your own organizer and registered agent compromises any privacy benefits you might seek through LLC formation, as your name and personal address become public record. It's far more prudent to engage a professional to serve as both organizer and registered agent to ensure consistent, reliable receipt of important documents and to maintain your privacy. Using a home address as your LLC's business address represents the third mistake that can have far-reaching implications. This error might seem innocent enough, but it can create multiple complications. First, listing your home address on LLC documentation may trigger unwanted attention from local authorities who might assume you're conducting business from your residence. This could lead to zoning issues or require additional permits and licenses you hadn't anticipated. Additionally, using your home address makes your personal location public information, accessible to clients, vendors, and potentially problematic individuals. This exposure can compromise your privacy and in some cases even your safety. Perhaps most importantly, from a business perspective, using a residential address can hinder your ability to establish business credit. Credit providers often view businesses with residential addresses as less established than those with commercial locations. Instead, consider using a virtual business address or executive suite service, which can provide your business with a professional image while maintaining separation between your personal and your business lives. The fourth crucial consideration involves choosing the appropriate management structure for your LLC. This decision between whether your LLC is member managed or manager managed, has significant implications for both operations and privacy. For active businesses where your personal involvement is central to the operations and marketing, a manager-managed structure might be more appropriate, particularly if you plan to bring in passive investors while maintaining operational control. This structure allows you to separate ownership from management, providing flexibility for future growth and investment without sacrificing control over daily operations. It also facilitates your ability to transfer your membership units into an irrevocable trust, such as an Ohio Legacy Trust, to provide greater asset protection. Selecting the appropriate tax status represents another critical decision point where many entrepreneurs stumble. The IRS offers 4 distinct ways to classify your LLC for tax purposes: as a C corporation, an S corporation, a partnership, or a disregarded entity. This choice has profound implications for your business's financial health and tax obligations. For passive investment activities such as real estate holdings or stock market investments, treating your LLC as a disregarded entity or a partnership often makes the most sense from a tax perspective. However, for active businesses that are profitable, generating significant income through services or products, electing S corporation or C corporation treatment might provide valuable tax savings opportunities. The key is aligning your tax election with your business activities and long-term financial goals. Making the wrong choice here can result in unnecessarily high tax burdens or missed opportunities for tax savings. Finally, one of the most overlooked yet crucial aspects of LLC formation is the creation of a comprehensive operating agreement. Many entrepreneurs, particularly single-member LLC owners, mistakenly believe they can skip this step. However, a well-drafted operating agreement serves multiple essential purposes beyond just outlining how your business will operate. It's a crucial document that can protect your personal assets in the event of litigation, establish clear procedures for business operations, and support your overall chosen tax treatment. The operating agreement should include robust asset protection provisions that help maintain the separation between your personal and business assets, a critical factor in maintaining limited liability protection. Additionally, your operating agreement needs to include specific provisions that support your chosen tax treatment. Lastly, the operating agreement should clearly delineate any transfer restrictions for the membership units. Without any transfer restrictions, you may end up as a partner with someone you never anticipated. The decision to form an LLC is just the beginning of your journey as a business owner. By avoiding these common mistakes and implementing the strategies we've discussed, you'll be well positioned to build a strong foundation for your business's success. Remember, while forming an LLC might seem straightforward, the decisions you make during the formation process can have long-lasting implications for your business's legal protection, tax efficiency, and overall success. Take the time to carefully consider each aspect we've discussed, and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance when needed. Your business's future may depend upon the choices you make today. And hey, if you want to dive deeper into one of the most critical decisions we discussed today, choosing the right registered agent, I've got another video that breaks this down in detail. Click the link above or in the description to watch Should You Be Your Own Registered Agent? The Truth About Self-Registration. I'll walk you through exactly why this decision matters so much for your business's future and security. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.